All right, if you're a man over 50 and you want to learn how to lose fat, all right, make sure you watch this video because I'm about to give you 3 important tips that you can do to help you lose fat into your 50s. What's up, guys? Gary Walker here with liveanabolic.com. All right, now this video is specific for you guys over 50 that are wanting to lose fat, all right? Also, I'm gonna give you 3 tips, but the last one is crucial to your success. So make sure you check out that 3rd tip, all right? Well, here we go. 3 tips that you can do if you're a man over 50 wanting to lose fat. First thing, realize, obviously, I'm sure you already realize that things are different for you. Metabolism's slower, hormones are lower. You got all kinds of things that are against you right now. But we can reverse those kinds of things. We can boost things that are gonna help you improve your lifestyle, get the fat off your body, build muscle. All of these things can still be happening to you into your 50s, even 60s, all right? You just got to focus on a few different things. These tips are a little bit different. I've got videos giving you actual strategies you can implement to get things done. However, I wanted to give you 3 tips that are gonna help you, that are gonna be, still useful for you. The first one I wanna give you is eat out less often, all right? I'm an older guy, I like to eat out. I get it. When you get older, you don't always wanna sit around the house cooking food, meal prepping, doing all of those sorts of things. But eat out less often, all right? Keep that in mind. You can still eat out, but when you do eat out, make better choices as well, all right? Don't go out there and if you're going to a Mexican restaurant, don't go for the enchiladas, go for chicken fajitas, all right? Chicken, keep it cleaner protein, and little things like that. If you go to a steakhouse, go for the leaner cut, not the fatter cut of steak, all right? The fatty steak is really bad for you guys, so make sure you go for a leaner cut. And same with carb choices. Don't go for the loaded baked potato, go for a straight up clean baked potato, salt and pepper, or even better yet, just go for the veggies. All right, there's some choices, good choices you can make if you have to eat out. However, the biggest tip, the thing I want you to take out of this is just do it less often. All right, there's been times in my throughout my life in my later 30s, earlier 40s, mid 40s, we like to eat out every night. Every night for dinner, we'll eat out. However, to get leaner, to get rid of some fat, eliminate all that as much as possible and eat out less often. That's your first tip. Eat at home, choose some nutrient dense foods that aren't processed. That's the key, all right? You still want your lean protein. You still want your gluten-free, clean carbs, rice, potatoes, quinoa, veggies, fruits in moderation. All of those types of things are good for you, and some good fat choices. You gotta have good fats. Fats are what's going to boost your hormone profile, your testosterone, which is key for us older guys. You wanna maintain those high testosterone levels. Typically, they're naturally gonna be down just because of your age. So the goal is to boost those as much as possible, all right? Make sure you're getting your good fats from grass-fed beef, egg yolks, avocados, if you like avocados. There's a lot of good choices out there. Some nut butters, almond butter, natural peanut butter. You can do a lot of those things, all right? That's gonna help boost it, all right? Second tip. First one is all about the food. Second one is exercise, man. You gotta exercise and you gotta choose the right types of exercise. I did a video recently on anabolic cardio, which is a huge hormone boosting, muscle boosting, metabolism boosting exercise, all right? But I also want you to be doing resistance training. Resistance training utilizing Tricon sets. That's the key. You wanna make sure you're doing good resistance training, which is lifting heavy type strength training, using compound lifts, which is gonna be your bigger bang for your buck exercises, but do them correctly. That's why I invented Tricon training. It's less impactful on your joints. Elbows, shoulders, lower back, knees, hips, all of those things tend to be an issue as you get older. And by doing Tricon training, you can still build muscle, still get some of the big hormone boosting benefits, muscle boosting benefits that those types of exercises provide. The squats, the deadlifts, overhead press. A lot of men that get older can't do a lot of overhead pressing. There's a lot of mobility things you can do to open up your shoulders, your upper back. So I've got a lot of videos on that as well, guys. So make sure that you check out some of my older videos. I've got tons of videos on how to perform exercises, types of nutrition strategies you should be implementing to lose weight as well. So the goal with this video isn't to show you everything you can do in one big video. I wanted to give you 3 simple tips. Tips that will hopefully help you, and simple things that you can implement pretty much immediately. You can get rid of the fast food, the processed food. You can stop eating out all the time. That's one of the bigger tips. Second one, start getting active, start exercising, start doing exercises, the resistance training, utilizing Tricon training, that's gonna help you, benefit you by boosting your hormone profile, which is key, guys, especially when you get older, all right? It's gonna boost hormones, it's gonna boost so many positive things for you in your body. It's gonna reduce cortisol when you're doing all of these things correctly. All right, it's actually increasing cortisol when you're working out. So don't think I misspoke there. I realize what it does, but when you're implementing all of these strategies together, you're gonna lower cortisol levels. You're gonna boost testosterone levels. So there's so many benefits to exercise, and metabolism is huge, all right? Your goal, like I said, is to get rid of the fat. Get rid of as much fat as possible. Losing fat after 50, well then you gotta boost that metabolism. You gotta boost your hormones. You do all of those and you're gonna be well on your way to getting rid of fat, all right? Third one, and what I still believe is one of the most important tips, one of the most important things you can do is do not give up, all right? Sounds like a corny tip, however, it's not. So many guys I've worked with over the years, so many people I know, they get started, you make the decision to start, you get started, you start implementing some of these strategies, but you give up. All right, this needs to be a lifestyle thing, okay? Something you want to do the rest of your life so you live a healthy, happy, longer life. So there's too many benefits that come along with exercising and eating better that I want to make sure that you're a part of, all right? So you don't want to give up on all those benefits, and you don't want to give up on yourself. You got a lot of life left, all right, at your age. So keep that in mind. You want it to be a happy life, a healthy life, and something that you can implement and really enjoy the rest of these years, man. So don't give up on the journey, on the process, because it is a process, it is a journey. All right, so enjoy it. Do things, implement things that are gonna be sustainable, which is why I like carb cycling. I don't like the fad diets that are out there, the keto diets, the 1 meal a day diet, all of those types of things are fads, man, and it's not very sustainable, especially for the longevity, all right? It can help you initially get some of the fat off, however, it's not a long-term solution. So my goal with all of you guys that I'm trying to help is to find something you can do, something that you can implement in your daily life that you can replicate day after day after day and sustain it. So that's why I preach carb cycling. That's why I preach little modifications, doing one thing at a time. Eliminate the processed food, stop going out to eat at home, make better food choices. All right, start exercising, even twice a week. It doesn't take a lot. All right, I work out 4 days a week, which isn't a whole lot for me. Back in the day, I used to do 7 days a week. As I got older, I realized my body didn't recover from that. So I bumped it down to 5 days a week, and now I'm actually at 4 days and get tremendous benefits still, and I feel great. So those are the things I want to, teach you guys and educate you on. Is it doesn't have to be too difficult, but the choice is yours. You just got to make sure you do these things. And again, tip 3, do not give up. Just keep focusing, taking it one day at a time. And the more you do it, the more it becomes a habit, the better you're going to feel when you do all this stuff. So that's the goal with everything, man. And also just enjoy the journey, enjoy the process, and join groups. We've got a couple Facebook groups, Anabolic Tribe. If you haven't already joined that, reach out to us, man, so you can become a part of our Anabolic Tribe group. And so the goal is to help each other out. All right, there's days it's not gonna be easy, days you're not gonna have motivation, days it's gonna be a struggle. Well, that's when you reach out to members of the group and realize we're all the same. We're all going through the same crap. Even me, I've been doing this over 30 years and it's not always easy. It's a part of my life. It's one of the better parts of my life. I really enjoy this because I enjoy the way it makes me feel. And when it comes down to it, that's the goal. Not the vanity part, that's just a bonus that comes along with it, but it's how you feel, man. Because older guys, once testosterone levels start declining, depression sinks in, you start feeling old, you don't feel like yourself anymore. And I just want you to know you can easily reverse that by implementing some of these things. Again, these are 3 tips I shared with you. However, don't forget to check out some of my other videos because I've got videos on other things you can do to make it easier and sustainable for you. So check out some of my workout videos, check out some of my nutrition videos and other nutritional tips that I share with you guys that make it easier, because there's the carb cycling, there's intermittent fasting, there's a lot of things out there. And again, I don't want to overwhelm you all with this video. So check out some of my other videos, man. And there's a lot of those other things that will go along with these 3 tips. Also, you can get a free Ripped After 40 workout. If you go to the link in the description box, there's a link there for that. If you want to get started with my Ripped After 40 program, man, there's also a link in the description box that you can click on. That way you can go ahead and pick that up and get started implementing everything, because that program was designed with you in mind, all right? The older man, it's gonna help you. It's got the proper nutrition protocols, proper cardio protocols, the actual resistance training workouts with my Tricon training, everything you need to get started. And I've even got an acclimation phase. So it's a starter phase. You can start on that before you even get into the actual first phase of the program if you need to. So I tried to make it easy for everybody, and I've got a part of that for everybody in it. Everybody can get started, even start gradually. Start with the resistance training and then implement the nutrition strategy, or vice versa. Just start somewhere, man. That's the point I'm trying to make. You gotta start, you gotta continue the process, and then don't give up. Simple as that, guys. But man, give this a like. Also subscribe. There's a button there you can click on to subscribe to the channel. Click the little bell icon. That way you'll be notified every time we upload another video. And because we're constantly uploading videos, man, and if there's anything you want us to share, any other type of video you want us to record for you guys, and make sure you leave that in the comment section and we'll do that as well. But other than that, man, that's all I got. Get busy, get after it, and God bless.